Hello. Today our goal is to learn idiomatic future in questions. Remember that we use idiomatic future to make predictions when we have some present evidence and when we want to express decisions that we made before the moment of speaking. This is when we are expressing our intentions and plans. Idiomatic future in the interrogative form can include a question word, the verb to be, the subject, the expression going to, and a verb in simple form. Don't forget the question mark. It's important for you to remember that the use of the verb to be in idiomatic future isn't optional. It is part of the future expression and it is mandatory to use it. The different question words that we have are who, when we want to know the name of the person, where, when we want to know the name of a place or location, when it is important to know the time or the occasion, what, when we want to know specific information, why, when we need to know an explanation or a reason, how, to know the manner, how much for quantities and prices, how often to refer to the frequency, and which when we have to make a choice. Idiomatic future in interrogative form uses the question word, the verb to be, for example, am, is or are, the subject, and the expression going to plus the verb. For example, what am I going to do? Where am I going to stay? When is he going to come? Why are you going to travel? Let's ask questions using yes, no questions and question words. Look at the picture. Is David going to help the victims? No, he's not going to help the victims. What is he going to do? He's going to call the emergency services. Are Mike and Lucy going to go to school next week? No, they aren't going to go to school next week. What are they going to do next week? They are going to rest at home next week. Is Patty going to stay at the hospital? No, she's not going to stay at the hospital. Where is she going to stay tonight? She's going to stay at home tonight. Is Mr. Rodriguez going to have an eye test? Yes, he's going to have an eye test. Why is he going to have an eye test? He's going to have an eye test because he can't see very well. Remember, when we ask questions, we need a question word or phrase, the auxiliary verb, the subject, the expression going to, the main verb, and the rest of the question. What are your friends going to study? Where is Fer going to go tomorrow? Are you going to do the homework? Is Sandy going to travel next month? Thank you very much for your attention.